Senate primary election for Kogi West, Honorable Samuel Bamidele Aro with Senator Sunday Steve Karimi. We categorically reject this substitution and describe it as illegal, counterproductive to party unity and dangerous to our electoral prospect in the forthcoming election. 1. Prior to rejection of Senator Sunday Karimi, months before the primary election, Ward, local government, zonal and state executive of the APC in Kogi West unanimously passed vote of no confidence in Senator Sunday Karimi at several and different locations and time for over 2 months. This resolution, which reflected widespread concern over his suitability and alignment with the party goals in the district, was formally communicated to your office, the National Secretary and National Organizing Secretary. 2. Legitimacy of the primary election. The APC primary election for Kogi West Senate was validly conducted, and Honorable Samuel Bamidele Aro emerged as the clear winner. This result was confirmed by official report of the electoral committee that you sent. The electoral committee that was sent by the chairman. We didn't constitute the committee, the chairman constituted the committee and sent them to come and conduct the official assignment, and they did, and they submitted their report and remained the only legitimate outcome of the record, with the party on the close of the appeal window for all primary election. The sole legal process through which an aspirant in a party may seek redress over a primary election. 3. Legal grounds for substitution. Senator Sunday Karimi neither appeal the outcome of the primary election nor obtain any court judgment removing Aro Samuel Bamidele as the party candidate. Valid. The subsequent alleged replacement of Honorable Aro's name with that of Senator Karimi contained in a document reportedly signed by the national chairman constitute a clear breach of 1. Electoral Act, the APC Constitution and Guideline, and the democratically expressed will of party members who voted in the primary. 4. Deliberate misinformation and illegality. We believe the party's leadership has been misled into authorizing this unlawful substitution, and if left uncorrected, it risks deepening an already volatile crisis within the APC in Kogi West, with serious implications for party cohesion ahead of 2027 general election. 5. False withdrawal claim. We reject as false any claim that Honorable Samuel Bamidele Aro withdrew from the race. He did not execute any withdrawal from as required by law, and no such document exists in the party's record. 6. Our demand, in the interest of justice, party unity, and our collective electoral process, we respectfully urge the National Working Committee and immediately reserve the illegal substitution. If truly happen, restore Honorable Samuel Bamidele Aro as the authentic APC candidate for Kogi West Senate.
Working committee of our great party. So we implore everyone to stand behind the party. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Of egalitarian, transparent leader. For the popular demand of Kogi West people to be addressed. That Senate we are concerned and we are worried that the constitutional aberration happening in APC headquarters has to be addressed urgently in order to forestall crisis and breakdown of law and order in Kogi State. Today, we have come here to draw the attention of the national leadership of APC to a contravention of Electoral Act 2026 as amended, and the implication is unambiguously stated in Section 88, subsection 3 of Electoral Act 2026, that stated expressly that if a court finds out that the party refused to comply with the guideline for conduct of primary election, that party forfeits the opportunity to produce a candidate for that election in Kogi West, particularly. And today, we like to draw the attention of the National Working Committee to the constitutional aberration in Kogi West senatorial primary election. There was no appeal submitted by any aggrieved aspirant in Kogi West senatorial election 2027. Nobody was invited for the appeal committee sitting. Senator Bamidele, distinguished Honorable Sam Bamidele Aro was never invited. Neither was Senator Karimi, representing Kogi West currently, was invited to the appeal panel to decide and recommend for the National Working Committee to choose another candidate for such election in Kogi West.
What exactly do you want the party to do?
Gentlemen of the press, today, as convener of Kogi New Generation Movement and Initiative, a party interested in the re-election of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, we are concerned and we are worried that the crisis bedeviling Kogi APC as a result of external forces from Lagos and Abuja will no longer be tolerated. If anybody is interested,
Sambam Didaro won the primary in my own ward, and we went to collating center, and the result of the local government was collated in my own office, my senatorial office, and Sambam Didaro won Kababunu local government, and the senatorial collation was collated in my own office, being the headquarters of Kogi West. So I don't know where they get their own result and said Sambam Didaro withdraw. And if Sambam Didaro want to withdraw, he have to write my own office, and I will forward the letter to the state working committee. And through the state working committee, the letter will get to the national. It is a social media withdrawal. The answer is no. Please, we are just pleading to our national chairman to consider the vote of Kogi West. We from the Kogi West is Sam Bamidele Aro we voted for, and there is nothing can change it. We stand by it, we stood by it, and there is nothing can change it. That is all.